Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are finally in the Halloween month and I cannot be more excited about this. Halloween means really unique and scary looks, decorations all over the place. That being said, we are going to do a pumpkin related makeup for today. So if you're interested in how that sounds, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back! If you're new here, hi, my name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube, so if that sounds like your kind of jazz, then stick around. I would kindly also suggest to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at Ammunition. So without further ado, let's jump right into the amazing pumpkin look. And I'm going to basically start tracing the black lines using a black liner, so we have a starting point. For this, I'm going to use the KVD mini tattoo liner. That's about right. We are going to start tracing the actual breakage points. And I'm gonna start doing that around here. Okay, next up we are going to jump right into my Diamond FX Halloween colors. I've been using this last year as well. And I'm going to combine the red and the yellow together to get a pumpkin kind of vibe to it. I mixed together my Diamond FX palette to get this orange. And I started filling in the gaps, leaving out all the black markings. Okay, now that this is nice and almost dry, I'm going to take a brown or a dark brown and I'm going to start crossing some lines as per the pumpkin lines. So let's start with here. And I'm gonna take this all the way down like that. I'm going to go on now and mix some brown and some of the orangey shade so we can blend it out. Something about this. And now I'm gonna go through to each of the lines and kind of just blend it. This is to create that little depth feeling of it and make it look even more real. And now I'm gonna go with a bit more of the orangey shade so I can blend it out even more. So I took the black in the palette and quickly filled in my eye and my nose. And now I'm going to move on to my mouth, which is going to be a bit more different. Using the same black, I am going to use the flat brush to quickly trace it. So that's the mouth all complete. Wow, that looks very weird. And now we are going to use this side as our black canvas and we are gonna do our usual beat on that side. Now I'm going to take that dark brown and I'm going to try to do my brows with it. I think this actually turned out amazing. Let me know what you think. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at Ammunition. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!